Pico speed?
Yeah, that kid just wrecked.
Who?
I got it on camera.
So, that ass?
Yeah,
Somebody just wrecked?
flipped his bike.
Ain't no way. God bless America. What the hell? We got a goddamn, what is that? Is that the stream sniping vehicle? What the fuck? Oh, what the? These niggas coming off trucks. They coming off trucks. What is happening in Chile? Hey.
Did someone else hold that camera so you asked him doesn't hold a camera?
Millions, bitch. Oh my god.
Give it to them. Oh, someone. Yes. He's dead. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Compañero.
Oh, that's not, that's, somebody's on the roof. He needs to get off, he needs to get off. Bro, there's like 10 people on the roof. There's like 10 people on the roof. There's like 10 people on the roof. Bro, chill, y'all need to chill. No, they need to get down, bro.